Looking for a pan that can handle everything from searing to simmering without sticking or losing heat? The Jumbo Gotham Steel Cooker is designed to do just that. This deep, multi-purpose sauté pan responds instantly to temperature changes, making it ideal for braising, pan roasting, or whipping up rich sauces. Plus, its high sides keep your food contained as you toss and stir over high heat, cutting down on mess and splatter. What really sets this pan apart is its ultra-nonstick ceramic surface, reinforced with diamonds for unmatched durability. You won't need oil or butter to cook your favorite meals, which means healthier dishes and easier cleanup. The triple-coated ceramic finish lets food slide right off, so washing up is a breeze. Just pop it in the dishwasher when you're done. And because it's 100% non-toxic, free from PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium, you can cook with peace of mind knowing your meals are safe and eco-friendly. Durability meets convenience with this pan's diamond-infused coating, strong enough to handle metal utensils without scratching or wearing down. Whether you're stirring with a spatula or beating eggs with an electric mixer, this pan stands up to everyday kitchen use while maintaining its non-stick performance. It's also oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with gas, electric, and glass stovetops, giving you flexibility for any recipe. The ergonomic, stay cool stainless steel handles fit comfortably in either hand and stay cool even during high-heat cooking. I started building my Gotham Steel collection after my mom gifted me a pan, and this jumbo cooker quickly became my go-to for soups, stews, and big family meals. It's perfect when you want to make enough for leftovers without sacrificing quality or ease. Just be sure to treat it right, avoid scratching the surface, wash gently, and skip the highest heat settings, to keep it performing like new for years. The 10-year limited guarantee backs up the quality, so you're investing in cookware that lasts. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with a versatile, healthy, and easy-to-maintain pan, the Jumbo Gotham Steel Cooker is worth a look. It delivers even heat, quick cleanup, and the durability to handle your favorite recipes day after day. Try it when you're ready to enjoy cooking without the hassle and with better results every time.